Glam with all things Glam. Welcome to Build a Bitch Workshop, the second video.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about something that's extremely dear to me, and that is going to be bariatric surgery. Now, for all my little porcelain dollies, this video may not be for you because this is not like an elective surgery or a plasty. It's more like gastric bypass, which I've heard it being called. You can have like a lap band done or a sleeve, which is what I actually had done. This particular procedure is done laparoscopically. Laparoscopic surgery is what it is, where they take this device and they make 4 little incisions. So one of the incisions being that camera for the doctor to see what's going on the inside. The other 2 being the scissors and the little sewing device so that they can simultaneously cut you, sew you, and the 4th being the arm that's pulling the stomach out at the time. Now, this particular surgery is the hardest to heal from. Let me just say, it was not easy for me to heal from this. It took months for me to actually feel like I was just getting it together, and I had to actually have the surgery because I had a lot going on. I kept going up and down. I would lose a lot of weight just to gain the weight right back. So this wasn't an elective surgery for me. There was a health issue that I had that was going on. Let me just let y'all know, this surgery here is not cheap, okay? So you're paying like $10,000 to $35,000, and ain't nobody got that kind of money just laying around, especially not me at the time. I mean, I'm more than a conqueror now, so I am blessed. Too blessed to be stressed. But at the time, I did not have that kind of money. I do come from humble beginnings. So Medicaid paid for 100% of the surgery. I did have to pay $250 for a surgical assistant fee. So whoever the assistant was, child, had to pay for his fee. But other than that, Medicaid paid for this particular surgery. And I know somebody's hillbilly uncle is somewhere saying,
Glam, you ever use government funds to fund a surgery where you can just get up off your fat ass and go to the gym?
And to that I say, yes, Uncle Jim Bob, I did. The reason Medicaid will pay for this surgery is because if they don't get a handle on the situation that's going on with you via a medical situation, then they're going to end up paying for it in the long run. Again, this is not a plastic surgery. This is like a health condition for people who are obese. It's an option for people who are obese. To me, it's the only option. And I am so pro bariatric surgery. It did help me with the actual situation that I had, which was obviously just more than losing and gaining weight, and it was just the best. I mean, I did tell a little bit of a white lie. I mean, my doctor did. He said that I was 5'5", I'm 5'6". So we did kind of fib a little bit. My BMI, I started at a BMI of 29. Now your BMI has to be 35 or above in order for you to qualify for this surgery. If you're under 35 or 34, you do not qualify. So I had to gain 18 pounds. Gaining 18 pounds was better than losing 65 pounds. So get to the math. Gain, lose, I gained 18 pounds. We did do it, and it was just, it was great. I mean, again, the healing time was not so amazing. Your stomach is an organ. So they're not just going inside of you and pulling something and just cutting it a little bit and sewing you back on up and, you know, and out the door. No, they're actually cutting an organ. So that's why the downtime is so strenuous, and it's painful and it's hard to heal from. But again, I wouldn't change anything. It was one of the greatest things that I did for myself so that I wasn't juggling this weight, because after a while you have a lot of mental anguish. You like, what's wrong with me? You know, like, man, I mean, can a chick catch a break? You know, but I did do it, and it was just great. Now, this is a disclaimer. I am not a bariatric surgeon, but I do know a few. I am not a nurse practitioner. I am not a registered nurse. I am not a licensing practicing nurse. I am not a certified nurse's assistant, a certified nurse. Look, I can't even take your temperature, okay? I can't help you in that way. But I would suggest that you consult with a bariatric surgeon so that you can know all of your options. You want to know the facts? Again, this surgery didn't scar me. You just have those little lines that I think you can get rid of. I'm gonna try, but it didn't scar me as bad as some of the other surgeries really do. I would definitely know your options and consult with a few different bariatric surgeons. So if you are in the Georgia area, which is where I got mine done, I can tell you where to go, but I will still do my own research. So this video was quick, short, simple, to the point. We are coming to a close, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I do appreciate you viewing this. If you like this video, I want you guys to like. I want you guys to comment below. I want you guys to hit the subscribe button and share, of course. And I will see you guys on 6/20/21.
We are pretty girls.